One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Super, super clean G30 sport van. Woo! This video is just a walk around daily update work vlog type thing as we're working on this 97 F250, this, and we've got a lot of other things we're working on in here. But just a work vlog. Hope you enjoy. We'll be putting a lot of these up. Make sure to subscribe. The reviews of these cars will be coming up also, but for the time being, it's the work vlogs and what we're doing to them and just the daily stuff. I think we even put the trim on the Saab on this one in this video. So lots of things coming up. Subscribe. There's like 8,000 videos on my channel. Hope you enjoy. We'll talk to you. Here we go. I do not even know what I ordered. That don't sound too good, does it? Like I say, I always forget what I order. But this is about the only thing that I could have that would rattle like that. And we got the 2K clear because we're going to do some actual body work on cars. I heard this thing start up out here, and I was like, that is not a Tercel. That's the Saab 900, baby. The Saab 900 is Audi 5000. Whoop, whoop. Nice car. One owner. Clean. And it's just been sitting this year. Paul Phil, thank you for that piece. Really cool. 118,000 original. What I'm saying is the Saab 900 is Audi 5000.
160.
160. Oh, 116, yeah. I heard this thing start up, I go, that's not a Tercel. What? That's a Saab. Cool car. Straight. Wait till you see this thing all cleaned up. We polished it last year. I already know it looks good. So he's got a couple pieces here ready to put on the Saab. And we took the back one off because it was hanging. And we're hoping that this molding tape works. All the stuff I use in here, I'll put a link in my store. And it's the Amazon store. And good or bad, don't go buy it if it don't work right now. We're pretty hopeful. What are you doing? Who are you? You're gonna hide? Not sticky, yicky stickier than that.
Alright.
Jeez. It's from Ling Paoxing, China.
Made in Turkmenistan.
Turkmenistan. Pakistan. Wasn't that the Borat?
No, it was Team America.
Oh, yeah.
Turka. Alright, so that line right there is the bottom of where the old adhesive was. So
now look at this. There is holes for clips, but there's nowhere to put them in back here.
No.
Maybe there's some kind of special clip that goes behind it. We'll research this all after we mess it up. That looked good from Lolo. And when I come back from the test
it's
drive...
upside down. No, I'm just kidding.
no. When I come back from the test drive...
If it's still there, we'll know.
Oh shit, we got it poked up.
Where?
One spot in the middle.
Where, right here? Oh, that's the...
Not that bad. But
That's the glue.
the glue that holds it all together.
The
Yeah,
glue
there's
that
tape in the back.
binds it. Ooh, look at that. You
Went
just
down?
tuck it in there.
Wow.
It's soft, masticky.
Just like RuPaul.
The ultimate tuck.
Did you see that they got a, he's on a Cheez-Its box now?
No.
Yeah, dude, they got rid of the Land O'Lakes lady and Uncle Ben
Yeah.
and somebody else, Aunt Jemima. And they put RuPaul on my Cheez-Its. That looks good.
Alright,
Right?
we got the big one.
Yeah, there's no dings or dents in this van, but one thing I really notice, especially in Montana things, is we don't get rust up here, but you do lose a lot of the paint on the wheels. That is absolutely original wheels from 1995.
Look at this. Look at the pinch weld. It's still got all the paint on it.
Yeah, no doubt.
You know what I mean?
That
Like,
usually is where the corrosion starts.
Exactly. I think it's kept in a garage.
Just a couple of these things, and some of that will lighten up with the polish.
There's no way it wasn't kept in a garage.
No, there's no way. I mean, you got this. I'm not that concerned.
Okay, so we want to make sure we hold the tape back from the edge a little bit, just in case.
I was stripping the wires for the Hummer.
Yeah.
And I was, Vlad, hand me them strippers. Strippers! Strippers! I'm like, good boy.
Yeah.
That's my boy.
We'll figure out what those are sooner or later.
Oh, yeah. 13 is a mandatory trip.
It's a rite of passage.
This is his bar mitzvah. His strip mitzvah.
So I think just from what I saw over there, you want to make sure you keep the tape away from the edge a little bit so you don't see it when you stick them on the car. No stick them. So we'll give ourselves 1/8 of an inch.
We're going to use up some tape.
We are.
We could use this roll by the time we get done with the Ford truck. Red tape endings everywhere. This one's a little bit longer. And again, thank you, Paul Phil, who sent me this piece. Freaking awesome.
Hold that right there. I don't know, man. I really don't know. I feel like it's got to go up.
It does seem like it's going to go up a little bit.
Just barely get the end of it on there. You like that?
I feel like you're creeping up.
I'm creeping up. Okay, I'm pretty good right there.
Okay.
You like that?
You come on from my end?
Yeah.
When you're putting this crap on, you want to come from one way or the other. That's for sure.
Push the air out.
Don't push it towards each other.
Yeah.
In like that, you know.
Yeah. Oh my god, it looks actually pretty straight. Wow.
Unlike Roof Hall, that looks straight. A box of spray paint from Walmart. It's been long couple weeks here. We've got a lot done. That car is looking cool. I had somebody I gave a really low price that I'm just not into anymore. But got the Saab fixed up with the... It's really a lot cleaner here. We got the cords went through today. I made a video about that. Rich got the desk out of the way. This will get cleaner at some point. But this is our grinding station, I guess. And we got stuff everywhere. This is full. It's got to get emptied by the winter. The van, look at that van. It's sweet. We made some room over here. We'll make more here in the next couple days. And boom, we got more cars coming. Beautiful night here in the valley. I'm just throwing some stuff together. Might be old, boring, whatever. I'm doing updates. We'll see where we all end up with it. All right, more stuff. And I'll tell you what, I already opened and peeked. This is pretty sweet. I don't know. It doesn't look the exact same that it looked in the pictures. Kind of, though. That will go on this. And I think it kind of matches with a little bit of green. It's a different kind of green, but with them, oh, look at these wheels. I gotta bump the chest on the wheels again. Woo-hoo-hoo, doggy! Just like Christmas, except I just bought myself a job. What are you doing? What's your name?
I'm Nightmare.
You're Nightmare. I know you are. You're Nightmare. What do you do with these? What is this stuff? Woo, doggy!
Doggy!
Woo, doggy! Say woo, doggy!
Woo, woo!
Brand new, nice, bright, shiny lower front blinkers for a square body 97 F250. Yeah, buddy. All the rest, I think this is all for the Ford. Yeah, it's 6 pieces. So this is all for the Ford, the blue one. Blankets are for this, or the seat covers. We're gonna see where we're at here in a little while. This thing's about ready. As you see, we got the Saab moved yesterday. Look at that big old 4-cylinder, man. That's bad. This thing just clicks away. And my dad's over here. But this truck we brought up again. And this one, you got a slight bend in here somewhere in the grill. This is bent down, and it's causing this to be sucked in. We're gonna try and work with that. But this is one clean truck. Obviously, it's got clear coat peeling. What are you doing?
Shoes.
Big shoes, huh? Whoa. Okay, look at this. The wheel wells are perfectly clean. Look at just the right amount of patina on everything. This is absolutely beautiful under here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint this. Look at my link below at my Amazon store. These Mora knives, super sharp, super awesome. Clip right on your pants and won't pull your pants down. All these knives pull my bridges down. I used to carry the big black-handled buck that pulls my bridges down. Look at the frame. Super clean truck. I think I'm gonna paint all this flat black it to where it looks, because it looks crappy to see that. And Dodge has the most god-awful high fenders wells in the world, especially on the back of them. But it's a super clean truck. So that's, and look inside. Yeah, buddy. They all have this dash problem. We put the cover over it, but you still got a broken vent. These freaking Dodge dash, they are just crap. Absolute crap. Trucks are pretty good. Dashes, absolute crap. This car is so clean. Look at the bumpers. They're in great shape. And when you apply a little bit of the, well, stuff to them, that's what you get. Looks like new. Like new. This one we ordered new lights for, all around it. And gonna go ahead and get the surround off and the grill off and get to painting. So on the grill you got 4 here, and there's 1 right here, and I think that's it. I'm held in by these. Yeah, that's it. I'm just held in by the head block heater. Double is good. This thing still has the factory plug-ins or plug covers. So you can plug the so you can cover the plugs up like that. Pretty cool. But let me get this one out and we'll get this out of here. And that unwraps it. And we are 100% out. So this we'll repaint, sand down, tape off. Gonna do the bumper. And I gotta get these lights out somehow. So from the Tercel, the old Tercel, we go to the new GMC AT4. AT4. Attack Vehicle 4. I'll do a review of this soon. It's got all the bells and whistles and dingers and dongers. What is that? Oh. Just start switching switches. I don't even know what they do. It's brand new. It's a 2023. The stitching's cool. What?
It's a... oh no, it's down under there.
It's like a coffin. It opens right up.
And you can put the seats down with the button, but you have to put them back up from the inside.
What I hate about the new cars is when I'm in a parking lot, I can't tell the difference between these two cars. I know they look a little different, but everything looks the same. It is a bit squarer than most stuff nowadays. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, on this one, you actually have to take the battery tray out. What else, Rich? And the coolant tank.
The coolant tank.
And you have to unscrew these bolts from the back here to get this whole, it's not a core support.
Well, it's these ones.
It's like a light support, I guess you'd say. But
So
it
you
will
gotta-
look better with new lights.
You got to take the battery tray off to get these 2 bolts, which go through this.
Yeah.
And you got to get those from the back. Then once you get those, you can get to the rest of the bolts to get to the.
What a chore, though. What a chore. Look how new and fresh everything is. 0 mile, only 434. But with a little turbo. All right, it's evening time, end of the day. This thing turned out absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna put some pictures of it in here that were up in the sun. But this thing is beautiful, looks nice, drives nice, is nice, nice. Look at the wheels. Whoo, doggy. Okay, we got more coming up tomorrow. That's gonna get pictured soon. And this, we gotta paint the bumpers, hook it up and tweak that a little bit, pull that back down, get that bumper not twisted up. And then the van's coming up. This, we got the whole grill off the front. I'm gonna have to paint the wheels on it because they are a little whatever. We pulled off the whole front, and we're gonna paint it up. And we got brand new lights, all 6 pieces of the light that will swap into this. But it's a clean truck, and I just didn't like these things looking like this. And this one was the worst of them, yeah. Passenger side was the worst. It just don't look good. So we're gonna sand them down and do it to it. I was just gonna order the headlights because this one was all yucky. No, this one? Yeah, this one. Had water in it and everything. But I figured, might as well get all of them. These are all chipped up. It's gonna look nice when we're done, I'll tell you that. because the truck deserves it. It's a nice truck. Saab will be coming up too. Got all kinds of cars coming up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Lots more coming up. Look at this. We even got a fender today. Here's all the lights for the truck. There's a fender. There's lights for the Toyota Camry. Oh, buddy. We got some stuff going on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next couple days sometime.